Katie, super big. I love you. For today's video, we're gonna be making sock puppets. So here is the spin cones for our ears. Here's the sock. Here's the yarn. Here's the googly eyes. And then here's the pom-pom balls. And here's the pom-pom balls. And here are 2 yarns. And the glue gun.
Why are you whispering, ate?
Okay, let's start.
Whisperer.
So, this is the tongue. The first step is to put the tongue in the sock. Next, guys, we have to put the eyes.
Okay, where are your googly eyes? There you go.
Choose the color of the nose.
Okay, what color are you going to use for the nose?
Green.
Green.
Definitely my favorite color.
Your favorite color?
Yes. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Going to use the yarn for the hair. Going to put the ears. I think it's my puppet. I don't know what it is. It's time for me to put it on. Oh, that's hot. No, it's too hot. Now my puppet sock is done. So my project is done.
What's the name of your puppet? Oh, there's another puppet at your back.
It's my sister. This para nieve.
Nice. So what's the name of your puppet? How about you, ate? Can you show your
The
puppet?
name is Feed It.
Feed it. Okay, how about ate? Can I see? Wow, so cute. What's the name of your puppet, ate? Erm?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. Why rainbow? Show it again. Because of the hair?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so how did you guys find making these sock puppets? Easy or hard? Fun. And
Medium.
easy. What do you mean by medium, Katie?
hard and easy.
It's both hard and easy. Why is it hard?
Because it's so hard.
It's so hard. Why is it hard? The glue stick is hot. Is it hot? Yeah, you can't touch it, ne?
Yeah.
Your sister's the one who's helping you. You say thank you to Ate for helping you making the project.
Thank you, sister.
Okay guys, so this is for today's video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on that notification button. Bye guys!
Bye. Bye, guys. Stay wonderful, you whimsical. Bye.